Hello everyone! Welcome back to Vo ATX Real Estate channel. I'm Lena Vo from Premier Team Real Estate, a realtor in Austin, Texas. I'd like to introduce to you a new community called Bar W Ranch, located in Leander, Texas. Leander, Texas is one of the fastest growing suburbs north of Austin, and it is conveniently located near shopping, parks, major employers, and also entertainments. You're only 4 miles away from the Cimarron Hills Country Club Golf, and then only 1 mile away from the new HEB. It is called Bar W Marketplace. And it's also located about 7 miles from Gateway Shopping Center, Benbrook Range Park, and also the Southwest Williamson Country Regional Park. Metro rails that's going to the Domain and then to the downtown of Austin as well. So Costco Shopping Center is also less than 10 minutes away. The new Apple campus is less than 14 miles away from this community, which is very convenient for those who would like to work in those high-tech companies and live in this area. Here, it has very easy access to major roads that makes the commute to Austin, Georgetown, Cedar Park, and Liberty Hills so much easier. There are also a Crystal Lagoon project that is expected to be built in Leander, which is about 10 minutes away from this location. And also the new outdoor shopping district project is also coming into Leander as well. And a lot more. So let's now follow me into the community and view one of its model homes that was built by D.R. Horton, America's builder. Right now, I'm standing in front of this model home called Reagan, and this community consists of 4 different builders, started over a year ago. Currently, there are 2 builders that are still building homes here. The first one was the D.R. Horton's America's builder, and this builder owns the lots of the lots in this community. And I spoke today with one of the sales agents. Over 200 of D.R. Horton homes were sold, and about 500 more homes are still to be built. So there are still a lot of opportunities for any buyers who are interested. There are a total of 1,500 homes in this community. So the property tax rate in 2021 here is about 2.886%. This is before homestead application. So after you apply for a discount for the homestead program, it will be lower. Tax here paid to the Williamson County, including the Leander MUD, MUD, and the Liberty Hills School District. So HOA is about $125 per quarter, which is about $42 a month. D.R. Horton's has 18 different floor plans, including 1 and 2 stories, and is ranging from 1,744 square feet to 2,885 square feet. So Bar W Ranch homes feature a full-size mansard with stucco per plan, full yard of Bermuda sod and irrigation, and with also a covered patios per plan. All the cabinets around the kitchen is 42 inches high. So please let's tour with me now with the Reagan floor plan, which has 1,863 square feet, 1 story, 2-car garage, 4 bedrooms, and 2 baths. Wow, I hope you have enjoyed the short tour of the Reagan model homes built by D.R. Horton. If anyone who first time watching my channel, if you like this content or other similar contents in this channel, please support me by subscribe to my channel so I can have more motivation to go out there and do more similar videos on different real estate properties and new communities to share with you in the future. Feel free to also add your comments or contact me. My information is in the back of the video. Thank you again and hope you have a wonderful weekend with your family, and we will see you soon in the next video. Bye!